Welcome back to the channel, guys. What a crazy time we just had. We literally just had $500 billion liquidated, gone from the crypto markets in literally just a few days. And the saddest thing about this is that basically we removed the entire growth of December within a few days. And it kind of doesn't shock me fully. As long as we can just pretty much hold around this $3 trillion mark, I think we'll still be in a good place. That's the floor we really want to hold right now. And when we go back to 2021, you can also see in this similar moment, because it was just before we broke out, from the previous market cycle top, which if you go back in time would have been around about here in 2020, December. But the things actually shot up, then it corrected and shot up again. Right now, we've only really seen the shoot up, which is right here. We haven't had that correction down and then that second wave, which I really hope to see another big wave and put us into the 4 trillion plus. Because we see on the week, lots of red, lots of blood in these markets. And to be fair, even though it's a greedy market on the sentimental analysis, a lot of people are going to be scared right now, guys. And it's normal to be scared. It's normal to feel like this neutral behavior where we're actually in insane growth. When you look at the last 6 months or 12 months, the markets are actually incredible. When you look at the last year, the markets are still incredible. You can't really argue with these gains. But in the short term sort of perspective, it does not feel amazing, right? What else recently happened, guys? Massive congrats. I will say it. Squirrel, guys. What a freaking awesome call. If you got into the Squirrel call, you can see we actually called this token on the yellow line, and it has pumped, and it went up over 2x. So if anyone did get in on this opportunity in the Discord, you can see we've got these ultra early announcements that we put in here. So we put one in just literally yesterday, called at 0.0009, and it shot up in price to 0.0026. If you want to get early alpha calls, find those next big stealth launches and big coins in the meme coin or crypto space, do consider becoming a patron. The link is down below if you want to sign up, enhance your crypto portfolio, and help yourself get closer to time, location, and financial freedom in that particular sense. So yeah, space is limited, but we will do our best to help you grow in these markets. Now, that's really great to see that happen. Now let's move on. 5 coins that I think could still do well following this big dip and correction. Now the first one is going to be Wall Street Pepe. The reason is this hasn't gone live yet. It's not yet created a market cycle for itself. We don't know what the price action is going to be. It's new, it's fresh. We're still in a bull market. We've got the meme coin super cycle, and Pepe coins and Pepe related coins are doing quite well. So this has raised $32.4 million here. We can see the price is 0.000365, and it says in 1 hour 51 minutes the price will increase again, which is absolutely insane. So overall, looks really cool. There's 4 exciting chapters which take you on a journey with this particular token. It is also an ERC20 token, so all you got to do is connect like a MetaMask wallet or something to the website and convert Ethereum or Tether into your desired amount of coins. Now we can see there's 200 billion total coins here. Token addresses there with B410, so it's good to see that level of transparency here, and it's just an ecosystem that is growing crazy. It's an ICO, so you anticipate that you're getting in early before the main crowd to get in at the lower price point. Now please never risk more than you can afford to lose. This is not financial advice, but it could be a good play out here in the crypto markets. Wall Street Pepe started out as a tadpole. Now overall, they're getting a lot of traction, a lot of growth. You can see here Frog Army is the meta. With their current play, they've raised over $30 million just a few days ago, which is absolutely insane. And I guess, as long as we do get that big bounce back in the market and memes and everything else does have that next wave in Q1 2025, which is so close, then we should still see good sustenance with a lot of alts, a lot of memes and ICOs in the crypto space. So certainly one to check out. Link is down below if you want to do some research and take a look at the coin. The next one will be Doge 2014. This is another really interesting one that celebrates the 10-year anniversary or existence of Dogecoin. And you can see actually, he says here, they've raised 781.1k, over 2.2 million. One Doge 2014 is $0.000348. So it is an interesting one. Now, of course, like any meme coin, any ICO, I always stick to the rule, never risk more than you can afford to lose. And of course, it's not financial advice, but don't over risk and basically make yourself uncomfortable. You still want to be able to sleep at night, right? So introducing Doge 2014, celebrating 10 years of Dogecoin. One really cool thing is they have a bonus calculator. So depending on how much you buy, actually reduces the average entry. You can see if you bought like $10,000 worth, it makes each token 0.00021009. Whereas if you're just buying flat out, it's 0.000348. And it's interesting because it actually does say that the launch price of this token is 0.000348. So could that reflect 50% gains just from getting that bonus? It's always a speculation, but I don't truthfully know, you know. So it's definitely one of those things where it could launch and go sideways, it could go straight up, it could come down. Again, we know this is a volatile, risky space, but it does look like the conviction is seriously high here, and they've got a big community and they're growing more and more. Golden ornaments, warm fireplaces, and the cutest Santa pup ever. You can see here they are getting ready for Christmas. Doge 2014 team over there. Looks pretty cool. Featured across many big sort of articles, news sites, Coinpedia, News Bitcoin, Techopedia. And the ecosystem sort of breaks down between this sort of state to earn rewards. You've got a very easy wallet EVM integration, secure and transparent, and it's this hold to celebrate. So it's as simple as that. Tokenomically, 100 billion coins, 60% are sold in the pre-sale, 25% for staking, 10% on liquidity, and then 5% on marketing allocation. So they're still pretty early in this pre-sale. They've not yet deployed, they've not gone live, it's not on DEX yet. You can see they've also got this crazy airdrop that's going on. It says unlock VIP status when you invest $1,000 or more in Doge 2014, and it depends on, like, I guess the breakdown here, but just do a bit of research on the token. You can see the airdrop gets rolling as soon as they hit their $500,000 goal, so it's already rolling here. And then the airdrop breakdown on the raise, so you can see they've raised 700k, so 2% of the total will be used to buy Dogecoin, and then you get these Doge airdrops that actually take place, which is kind of cool. You can also see they've got a leaderboard of the biggest sort of whale buyers there, so they're putting out those addresses of people that are buying insane amounts. So quite cool to see a lot of community get bullish about it. Now, it says here, less than 20k away from the next VIP winner of $500 to $5,000 paid immediately. So I guess that will happen quite soon because the other one happened over here, and they've got the transaction hash for that previous winner, which was late October. So they've got another one coming around the corner for a bit of a Christmas giveaway, you could call it. Now, Doge 2014 is down below if you want to have a look at it, and I hope this one also goes well. But of course, no idea what the future entails of this, ladies and gents. So please, always be risk averse. Coin number 3 is Peanut the Squirrel, guys. Why Peanut the Squirrel? Because this one was just pumped like crazy. It went up to 2.2 billion. It's now down to 600 million. Now, I think whilst the narrative is dead, we should at least expect some sort of bounce out this hole. In a month, you've gone from $1.60 to 0.61. You've gone from $1.6 billion MC to 600 million MC. How much lower can it dig before it eventually gets a bounce? Even if it's just a 20, 30, 40% bounce. It's a Solana token. I do think it could potentially still have a big move to the upside, but it would be worthwhile doing some analysis on wallets just to check if there's any mega whale wallets still holding out that could be slowly selling in tranches on the down here, which would effectively just counteract any bullish momentum anyway. So yeah, very fun meme coin. Hopefully it's not dead forever. You can see Peanut here. They are still pushing out a lot, so it's not like they're not trying. They are certainly trying, the team itself, and I still think it's very, very fun and interesting project. And it's just a cute meme coin. It's on Solana. It's a squirrel. Who doesn't like squirrels, right? So it could be something worth also having a look at during this particular dip, because it is maybe offering a bit of a point of interest, an undervaluation zone temporarily. You can see it's down 25% literally on the day. Now that's a big drop, of course. Coin number 4 is Mother Iggy. Mother Iggy is actually the coin of Iggy Azalea or something like that. She's actually a real celebrity, and that's her right there. So yeah, we can see she's a fully doxed human being. She's a real person, and she was really relevant once upon a time. Hopefully she's not going to be the next Hawk Tuah. But yeah, overall, I think it could be interesting to see what happens with this. They're putting a lot of things. Look, public access to Motherland opens tomorrow. Position yourselves accordingly. And generally, it looks like it could just be a good one. So yeah, I think this is a very simple coin. The mother price is 0.044. Looking at the market cap over the month, it did come down from 76 million, so it's now 42 million. It's a lower market cap pick. You can see the market cap all-time high was 120 plus million. So I kind of think, like, is she going to let her reputation really go down the drain with this? Surely we will see another buy wave coming soon, another meme sort of pump. If we do get that euphoria, and if we do believe that the meme market isn't over, this could be another coin to potentially have a little look at. The Iggy Azalea, which is basically the token ticker is mother here. I think it could be cool. Some friends of mine are talking about it, some other like influencer friends as well. In fact, Claybo was talking about it. Claybo, really cool guy. He introduced this coin to me, so I looked at it and I thought, well, yeah, it could be okay. I don't know, maybe he secretly just has a crush on her. Alright, BONK. Next one is going to be BONK. Look at that price action. And I don't mean in a good way, of course. I mean in a corrective point of view where it's gone from 4 billion MC to 2 billion MC. Now that is down 50%. And if you were someone that was happy to buy here, happy to buy up here, happy to buy up here, but you're not happy to buy down here, then we've got problems. So basically you're now on a freaking discount. The value is pretty much getting to neutral sort of value. And it's seriously come down a lot, guys. This could be a dollar cost average opportunity. I'm not saying for sure it will bump up to the upside, but it's a $2 billion MC meme token. And we're now seeing it 50% down versus its 4 billion previous sort of market valuation. To me, it's a tempting opportunity. I did get some of this. I bought 5k worth of it yesterday. In fact, I know it's risky. I know it can go down further. I'm still in a 10% loss from yesterday's dollar cost average, but I'm waiting for that pump to the upside. And I really do want to see it happen. I'm not saying it will for sure, but there's a possibility that BONK could get that big blast to the upside. Huge meme coin. Definitely one of my favorites on the ERC20 ecosystem. And generally just really feeling good that this isn't going to go much lower. I really have a good feeling that we might go down 5-10% lower in general, but I still think, you know, Q1 2025, we didn't hit all our macro targets yet. The market cap of crypto just didn't get high enough for me to believe that this is over. Nearing the end, maybe. Is it over? In my opinion, no. If you're also buying meme coin, guys, the lowest trading fees in the entire crypto markets, do check out the KSEX exchange. The reason we push this so hard and talk about it so much is because we actually want to save people as much money as possible. The lowest fees in the market where you can compound savings over time with the taker and maker fees. I can show you right here. How low these fees are. The spot is 0% maker, 0% taker. The futures is 0% maker, 0.01% taker. So this should just literally tell you how amazing this is. When we go here, for example, you've got all your spot meme coins. You know, if you want to buy Pepe, go ahead, buy Pepe. It's there. If you want to buy BONK, go ahead, buy BONK. It's there. So it's brilliant to see this exchange, fully functional, great UI, UX, globally accessible, and I will also say, no KYC required. So it's a beautiful exchange for trading, leverage, doing all that fun stuff. Do check it out, guys. I think it could be absolutely worthwhile. I might even put a long position in. I'm tempted to go long, actually, right now, but it's very, what's the word, degenerate. But I bet you if I wake up tomorrow and I went long on even just Pepe right now, this thing will recoil to the upside. It's whatever I don't do happens, you know. How can you resonate with that? Because I really do. Yeah, so what are we now? We're on Friday. So this is about a wrap, really, guys. I want to say thank you so much. Do consider, like I say, becoming that patron if you want to find those early alphas, getting into those big coins before they absolutely pump, because that's what it's all about, isn't it? Finding that win, being happy and content with a 2x and not a 20x, just taking small wins in multiple quick successions. 2x, 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 3x, 4x, 5x, 4x, 2x, 1x, 2x, 2x. Oh, down a bit, but it doesn't matter because we won already 7 times in a row. 2x, 3x, and yeah, you get the point. We are here to make multiple compounding gains. We're not here to try and make 100x once and fail 50 times in the process. That's how I like to see it. Slow and steady does win the race. Does win the race. That's a wrap, guys. See you soon. This is not financial advice. And quickly to just go over this video, we had Wall Street Pepe as number 1, Dogecoin 2014, Peanut the Squirrel, Mother Iggy, and BONK. That's a wrap, guys. Thank you. See you soon. Join Discord down below. Come say hi. We'll chat and have a wonderful weekend. Peace.